How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. So you just deleted some message on your Messenger, or you just want to recover those end-to-end encrypted chats in your Messenger, then this video is actually for you. You're welcome to Fix and In, and my name is Daniel. So looking right here on the screen is my device. So the first step you need to take in order to recover your end-to-end encrypted chat in Messenger is to go to your Messenger like this. So when you do that, at the bottom of the screen here, you can see the menu icon. So you can see yours at the top right corner. But wherever it is, go ahead and click on the menu icon like this. So when you do that, right here you can see where it says settings. So you need to go ahead and click on settings. So when you do that, you just need to scroll down gently like this, and you're going to see where it says privacy and safety. So you need to go ahead and expand that. Looking here, you can see where it says end-to-end encrypted chats. So you need to go ahead and click on that. So when you do that, looking here, you can see where it says message storage. So you need to go ahead and click on that like this. Now looking here, you can see turn on secured storage. So you need to go ahead and click on it and turn it on by creating a password or using 40 character code. So you can actually do this by clicking on the first option here and click on continue like this, then create a CSPIN like this. So when you do that, make sure it is turned on like this. So right here you can see where it says save key in Google Drive. So you can go ahead and turn that feature on and click on continue with Google in order to save your key to your Google Drive so that you won't forget it later. So this is it. I've been able to save the key as well to my Google Drive. So this is the first step you need to take in order to recover your end-to-end encrypted chats. With this being done, your chat is going to be backed up. So the next step you need to take is to go back right here, stay on your settings like this, scroll to the bottom. You're going to see where it says account center. So looking here, you need to go ahead and expand this section where you can see more in account center. You need to go ahead and click on that like this. So when you do that, right here, you just need to scroll and click on your information and permission. So you need to go ahead and click on it like this and click on download your information. So right here, you can go ahead and click on download or transfer information. You can see that option here. So when you do that, you just need to go ahead and select the account you want to download the information from. So I'm going to select my Facebook account because it is actually linked to my Messenger. So after selecting it, go ahead and click on next like this. So right here you can see where it says available information and also specific type of information. So you need to go ahead and click on specific type of information because you want to download a specific type of information, which is the messages. So I'm going to select messages like this and click on next. So right here you can click on download to device and it is going to be downloaded into your device. Then go ahead and click on create file. So when you do that, looking there, it says your information is being prepared for download. So you just need to wait for a while and you're going to receive a notification on your email telling you that your download is now ready for you to come here and download it. So once you get that notification, you just need to come right here and you're going to be able to download your information on Messenger. So these are the ways you can actually recover your end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.